Let's have a simple thin RHS connection as can be seen on the slide. What a structural engineer or connection designer would typically do, they would design the weld to full strength, right? In our case, 14 mm. That's the safest and easiest option. But then you might be heavily over-designing this simple connection. Yeah? If you use the advanced approach and the machine learning, you estimate the overall weld capacity, again, while still staying code compliant. And the software shows you that instead of 14 mm, you could use 7 mm throat thickness instead. Now it may not sound like something that is interesting, but let's talk numbers here. By reducing the weld from 14 mm to 7 mm, you may save up to 75% of the initial cost, considering labor cost, material, everything it should consider. So we may save up to 1,200 rupees on one simple connection. Now let's imagine we have a project where we have thousands of the same connections, which is nothing unusual. In that case, you are saving 12 lakhs just by clicking one button and interpreting the results. But let me mention one thing. Even though you have a great tool that you can greatly leverage, structural engineers should always use their engineering judgment. Does the connection behave as you would expect it to behave? And does the output matches your expectations?